Hi, my name is Jordan Monique Janae. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, but I believe every woman should know how to do at least a few things to her hair at home. So if you want to know how to get these silky silk press results, keep watching. Starting off with my hair, especially taken out from braids, we are going to need to do a deep wash. When you start with a silk press, you always have to clarify because you really want to have clean hair, but you also want to have clean scalp. So I'm using the clarifying shampoo for the scalp from Biolage, their scalp sync line. I'll have all of the products listed down below. I do have dry scalp, and this helps to really get the buildup off. I use this to cleanse my scalp every time I take my braids out, and I do have a video uploaded on TikTok on how to properly take your braids down after a style. But yes, after that, you do want to go in and deeply cleanse your hair, your scalp, everything, and give it a thorough wash. After the clarifying shampoo, I'm going in with their calming shampoo from the same line to help balance the pH of my scalp. Then I'm going to go in and clarify my hair with the Mizani gentle clarifying shampoo. I need to make sure that my hair is clean, and then I will go in with Mizani's intense hydration moisture rich shampoo to put all of the moisture back into my hair. And you cannot skip this step. I know it seems like a lot, but your hair has to really be clean. And my hair hadn't been washed in like 6 weeks, so it needed to be done. And you must deep condition. I'm using the Mizani Intense Moisture Mask. Make sure that you deep condition your hair always before a silk press. This is going to lock in the hydration, lock in the moisture, and help it be prepared for all the heat that is to come. I would highly recommend using an unbrushed to detangle. I feel like it helps so much with combing the product through, detangling your hair, and the least amount of shedding and breakage that I've seen with any brush or comb. I just let my deep condition sit while I wash my body, get dressed, and then I rinse it out in the sink. Now we're back, and we're here for the blow dry process, which most people tell me they struggle with the most. You must put a leave-in in. As you guys can see, I'm a Mizani girl, so I'm using the Mizani Miracle Milk. I use that all the time, whether I'm doing curly hair, straight hair prep, and then I go in with the Amika Anti-Humidity spray. I love that spray. I spray it all on the top and in the back and basically my roots, as well as some Silk Infusion to lock all that product in and for a little shine. Now the blow dry is so important. I wouldn't say it's more important than the wash, because if your wash is bad and your hair is dirty, it's gonna not give. It's gonna give oily and stiff. And then if your blow dry is bad, it's going to give not straight. I like to go in with my Evera brush, my Evera beauty brush, and really pull my roots and tug at my roots. And then for my ends, I stretch them out and I blow dry out. With a silk press, you do not want to use a comb attachment, because it's just not going to give you as good stretch, especially like in the root area. Like maybe for certain parts, but like not really. As you guys can see, I put my hair into 4 sections and I do section by section. It is a workout and it is a struggle, and you might be beat by the end of this. It's look at my arms. But it's worth it. And as you can see, once you get through with the blow dry process, you will see if your ends are not good. My hair is very blunt because I cut my hair very blunt often. If your ends are see-through, then I suggest you go see a professional to give you a good trim, because split ends are still not going to give the right silk press vibes. You need to get a trim, possibly a cut. The tools you'll need are just a flat iron, a mini flat iron, a hot comb, and a rat tail comb, and a wax stick. In the back, you're just going to sit there and concentrate on your baby hairs in the back. It's really hard. Kind of just got to get a feel for it. Use your mini flat iron, use your fingers, feel through. I use my fingers a lot in the back because you just kind of got to feel it. But that mini flat iron is really going to be your best friend. You're going to take little sections, do the root with the mini flat iron, and then sometimes you can use your hot comb, but I feel like the little flat iron is safer. But the hot comb is more precise to the root, but the mini flat iron is safer if you're not comfortable with the hot comb. But you see how it just presses the root down. Always start in the back. Small sections, slowly go down, chasing your comb with the flat iron. And yeah, your back should look like this. I know that my sectioning and parting is not right, but you guys see it. You'll feel it. Use your fingers to feel. Take little sections, take your time. Your flat iron should not be up past like 400, 410, because the products and the prep that you just did will really do the work for you. Once you get to the center of your head, it kind of gets a little bit wonky, but just use your hot comb. You can even turn around, look with the mirror, and you'll see like if you're getting to your root or not. Now in the front, we're gonna take our wax stick, take our hot comb, press those edges up. And it's easier in the front than the back because you can see what you have going on. But your root is most important. Take a small section at the very bottom with your mini flat iron, and then chase your rat tail comb with your regular flat iron. And then just repeat them steps all the way up to the very top. It shouldn't be that hard. It's really not that hard, especially because if you do your blow dry good, then this part is pretty easy. And yeah, it should be silky smooth. It's really about the root. If that root is not getting straight, and if those ends aren't getting straight, you need a professional trim or cut. You should be left with silky smooth hair. And if it doesn't look like this, you may need to do something else to your hair. I do have a free download for a healthy hair guide. Just some tips that I think that everybody should know if they're trying to be on this healthy hair journey, trying to grow their hair, or trying to get to the root cause of why their hair may not be growing or retaining length. So I will have that link down below, but I definitely suggest you guys take time to read it. Hair is your crown, and I want all of us to achieve these silk pressed, silky, natural results. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I have so much more to come, so much more to teach you guys. And grab that guide if you're looking to grow your hair out. My goal is to help women feel more confident caring for their hair at home. So if this helped you, please subscribe and grab that hair guide. And I'll see you guys in the next video.